Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get glittery, sparkly looks in Dress to Impress easily. So if you want to shine bright on DTI stage, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create glittery, sparkly outfits that wow the judges and make you the star of every round. So what you need to do in here, just put on some makeup and also the hair, and you can choose any outfits that you want. So in here, let's say I'm going to put on this dress right here. Let's try on this one's right here. Oops, sorry, not the hand, just the dress. Okay, so now you can just choose the color that you want for the outfit. So let's say I'm going to go with red, all of it. Okay, like this. And now, what you need to do in here, you can click on this little plus icon on the color palette in here, and you'll see the materials options, but this is still beta, so I hope this also show up in yours DTI. So to get the glittery outfits, you can just choose between this one, glitter or rainbow glitter. If you just choose glitter, it will bring on the original color that you choose. As you can see, it will be glitter just like this. So you can just choose for all of the color in here to get that glitter just like this. You can also do rainbow glitter if you want to for your outfit. You can do for all of it, but I think I'm going to just go with the glitter, the basic glitter. So that's it. So now you can get this glittery outfits in DTI. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.